Airplanes, or the airplane shape, is not the only thing that can fly. Hi, my name is Robert Segundo, and today I'm going to teach you how to make something strange called the flying loop. What I got here is a square piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this into like a sheet fold, and I'm not going to take it all the way to the end. I'm going to leave just a little space here, like so. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I'll fold this over a few times just to give it a little weight out front. Now, when you see this in action, it's really going to change your views about aerodynamics and how things are really going to fly. So now that I got it like that, I'm going to just pick it up, loop it around like so. Just kind of tuck it in underneath itself right here. I don't know if you can really see that or not. But now I've got this loop that's weighted in the front. Let's give it a test and see if it'll fly. Grab it under the bottom like so, hold it, and there you go. Flies really well. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.